In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily change video quality preferences for YouTube videos over both Wi-Fi and cellular data in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the YouTube application. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps on your Android. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom right and click on gear icon on the top right corner. Now once you are on this page, you will simply have to click on video quality preferences and then click on mobile networks. Now here you will find both options for mobile networks and for Wi-Fi. You can select anyone. I have selected auto recommend. You can select data saver or you can select high quality pictures. That's your own choice. And that's how you can easily change video quality preferences for YouTube in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.